Okay, so just give me a sales price per unit, but give me a high number. Give me a nice high sales price per unit.
50,000.
Not so high.
5,000.
5,000. Okay, so our sales price per unit is 5,000. Okay? Give me a nice high variable cost per unit that's less than 5,000.
Well, do you want a number or what? Pick your own numbers.
Okay, 3,500.
What's wrong with 3,500?
Because you gave it to me, I just know it's got to be lame. So, what is my contribution margin per unit? Okay, 1,500. Now give me a fixed cost number that's less than 1,500. Nice. So fixed costs are 1,000, so my operating income is 500 bucks. Now what they want to know is, which of the following statements is true if total fixed costs decrease while the sales price per unit and the variable cost per unit remain constant? So what number up there can we change?
Fixed costs.
Okay, so let's do it again. So this stays the same, okay? This stays the same. Contribution margin doesn't change. And we're going to lower our fixed costs, right? Let's lower them to 900 bucks. So our operating income went from 500 to 600. So what's the answer? Does our contribution margin decrease?
Increases.
Contribution margin. That stayed the same. Did the break-even point change? Let's see. Okay. What is 1,000 divided by 1,500? It's less than 1, which is kind of lame. But how many units do we need to sell to cover? What's 1,000 divided by 1,500? It's probably 66%, I'm guessing. Right? So I need to sell 2/3 of 1 unit to break even. Okay? Under this scenario, how many units do I need to sell to break even? What's 900 divided by 1,500?
0.6.
Did it go down?
900 divided by 15.
So I need to sell 60% of 1 unit. So did my break even go up or down? So what's the answer? C. Okay, so now what I want you to do here though, is if you notice, I built a table. So when you see this problem on the test, they could change something. They could say, okay, what happens if total fixed costs remain the same, but these change? So what I want you to do is when you get the question, make your own table and build the problem and see what happens. Okay?